everyone, Adam here at Fitness Together Burlington, going to take us through the full Turkish Get Up. So, like we discussed in the first video, this will be an exercise under load. You're gonna lay on your side, rolling onto your back. Prop up the working leg that matches the working arm. The non-working leg, non-working arm should be out on 45-degree angles. Just like the half get up, it begins the same way. You sit up diagonally. The hand that you are propped up on should twist to prop yourself up. From here, it is a full glute bridge up. Here is where we progress. The knee swings under and should land directly under your pelvis. A good key tip here would be to always maintain vision of the bell. That way it will be easier to control. From this position, you are going to sit your butt back to the heel, bringing that hand in with you. You will extend the hip to a fully upright position. From here, you have two options. You can either swivel the front leg forward, or you can take the back leg and windshield wiper. I personally prefer the back one as it is less motion. From here, stepping up tall. You will reverse each step individually. Remember, this is a heavy weight above your head. The less motion, the better. I'm going to step back into my reverse lunge. I'm going to take my back leg, I'm going to windshield wiper. This knee should be directly under my hip. I'm going to sit my butt back to my heel, and as I'm doing that, I'm letting my hand drift down to the floor, and as I extend out, that hand glides with me. Here, I am fully stacked up. The weight of the bell is being supported by my hand down on the floor. I'm still maintaining vision on the bell. From here, I'm going to kick the leg back through. I'm in that full bridge position. Butt drops down. Reverse the forearm down to the floor by untwisting, and then laying down. To switch the bell to the other side, swivel and sweep it up above your head to the other side, and then you would begin on the other side. This has been Adam at Fitness Together Burlington.